All right, here it goes.
That's the tree!
Another freezing day in Massachusetts. So the pit bike needs some work. I've been screwing around with it lately, but I realized that the rear caliper is seized, so I had to put a new one on it. But for some reason, that one's not working either. I think it has to do something with the piston, maybe. So I have to get a new tube for my tire. I got a new tire, and I wanted to keep the tube, but it popped. Now we have to go get a new tube again, and fix it. So that's what we gotta do. I really want to get it in shape so we can ride it in the snow. Colby was supposed to pick up our friend Matt, but he's a little late, so we're gonna wait for him.
20 minutes later.
What's going on today, boys? Stoogboys back at it again with another video. We got Bay Matt over here.
It fucking burns when I pee.
Nick, we were at the convenience store, and we were literally like we were getting snacks to the convenience store, right? And he puts the key into his car to start it, and the car does not start. And he looks at me, he's like, so we went back to my house, we got a note, and we had to put it back in the car. And the note said, hey, like, the car's being picked up Sunday morning, don't tow it. I have the video of him. Colby's gonna do some snow jumps real quick on the snowboard. This is a family-friendly channel. Airsoft Fatty. Please don't demonetize us. Ooh. When you're too lazy to take off your bindings. Ooh.
Come on in, step on it. Come on in. Come on
Welcome
in.
to my.
This is the rotor. It needs to fit in between the brake pads.
So let's shove it on in there.
It's been about 15 minutes. They're still struggling.
We got the wheel on.
Alright, here we go. It's about fucking time. You ready?
Kick it, baby.
It's gonna take forever. Old ass gas.
Is the choke off? Oh! That's VTEC! VTEC! You bump started it, dude! Alright, how many times can we get the cops called today?
We got the pit bike all fixed. Everything works except for the rear brake, which I need to disassemble again and see what's wrong with it. It's probably the piston. I'm glad it works now because we actually can ride it and make videos. I'll probably do a snow day riding tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
Thanks, guys, for tuning into my Vine. Tune in next time where I commit tax fraud.